Keto recipes for beginners. The reason why people choose to go on keto diet. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Keto Weight Loss and Recipes. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you about keto weight loss and some recipes. I hope that you will like it, and if so, please give me a like so that I could do more videos in this sort of line of keto recipes. Thank you. Today, we're going to talk about the ketogenic diet, a popular and effective weight loss plan that's been around for almost a century. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. By reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake, you can achieve rapid weight loss, improved energy levels, and many other health benefits. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice taste for results. With the right recipes, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals while still sticking to your diet. So, whether you're a seasoned keto eater, or just starting out, join us on this journey to healthier, happier, and more delicious eating. Weight loss. One of the most common reasons why people choose to go on a keto diet is for weight loss. The low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet helps to burn fat for energy, leading to rapid weight loss in many individuals. Improved energy levels. The ketogenic diet can increase energy levels, making it easier for people to stay active and productive throughout the day. Better mental clarity. The keto diet has been shown to improve mental clarity and focus, making it easier for people to think and concentrate. Improved cholesterol levels. The high-fat, low-carb diet can improve cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Keto chicken Florentine. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. Dinner, servings, 1. Ingredients.
Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be
will get the recipes on the description of the video.